Well, good evening everyone. My name is Dr. Andrew Hughes. I'll be taking you through MKTG 7001 for Semester 1 2015. What we'll be doing with these summary slides every week is identifying the key points you'll need to look at for that week. It doesn't mean there aren't more points you shouldn't consider, more simply that these are just a quick summation of the key points for each and every week. There'll be a detailed recording placed online at the end of each lecture every week where you can sit down and listen to that, which will provide guidance to you on a more in-depth discussion of the material. So these slides will just give you an understanding of each week in a broader context. Let's start. So you'll see every week we'll have a slide called Making and Delivering Value, which will identify where you are in the course. You can see from this we're at the very top of the steps in the process, which is make marketing value decisions. So we're understanding how marketers make value decisions. Let's get underway then and look at some of the week one concepts. So summary details for this week. We'll be looking at the who and the where of marketing. So who is a marketer? Where do we find these people? What industry do they exist? We'll look at the role of marketing itself in both society and industry and a broader perspective of marketing. We'll consider the stakeholders, customers, and the marketing concept itself. So what role each of those have with the marketing concept. But we'll also be considering the single most important theory which underlies all of marketing theory, that of exchange and value. So we'll go into that in a bit of detail this week. We'll also look at the types of products which marketers can take into the marketplace itself. It can range from consumer goods, services, and the key terms here to look at: B2B, which means business to business; B2C, business to consumer; B2G, as in here in Canberra, business to government; ideas, places, and people. We'll also be looking at the value chain itself and understanding what that means in a marketing context. Marketing planning is next discussed, getting an idea that marketing as a function is responsible to other aspects of the business function and is therefore meant to be monitored and measured. We'll look at marketing plans. So I have a quick discussion of your major item of assessment for this semester, which you've probably already gone through. And then we'll also look at segmentation, another big and important theory in understanding how marketing is applied in practice. We'll also then look at the marketing mix and the 4 Ps of marketing itself: product, place, price, and promotion. And you'll get to know those off by heart by the end of the course. In fact, by the end of this week, you should know those off by heart. All right, that concludes this week.